Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to use the TOYBA cable step by step. We'll firstly use the cable to read the IMO data, and then add a new key to this 2022 Alphard. If you're not aware, TOYBA cable can be used for 2022 and up Toyota BA models, adding key and all key lost. It can work with Keto Plus, Keto Max Pro, Mini OBD to left TOBD version. In this video, I'll showcase the whole process using the Keto Max Pro and the new XM38 Smart Key. First of all, we're going to generate the remote. Take out the PCB board of the key, pop in the battery, place the PCB board on the coil of the device. Click on Remote Program. Select the desired option. Hit Generate. Now the smart key has been generated. Then we need to read the IMO data of the smart key box of the vehicle. The smart key box of the 2022 Alphard is above the driver brake pedal. Remove these 3 trim panels in a proper order. Then you'll need to locate the smart key box. Here's a connection diagram of the cable. First of all, remove the 30-pin plug of the smart key box of the vehicle. Note, do not unplug the other 2 connectors. Plug the TOYBA cable into the smart key box. Connect the OBD port of the BA cable to the vehicle OBD port. Then connect the BA cable to Keto Max Pro using the OBD cable. Now we're ready to go. Take out your Max Pro and click on IMO Programming. Select Toyota. Classified by type. Smart Key after 2016. Type for 8AP for page BA. You can read the function intro and then hit IMO Programming. Backup Smart Box EEPROM data. 30-pin cable reading. Follow the prompt and turn on the hazard lights. Make sure it's connected to the internet and hit OK. It tells you how to connect the cables. Now we go ahead and hit OK. Waiting for the calculating. Calculating success, and we save the file. Then we can use the data to add smart keys or generate keys in all key loss situation. Note, before going into the Add Smart Keys or key generation of all loss menu, unplug the BA cable and restore the original 30-pin plug of the vehicle. Now we can start programming the smart key. Click on Add Smart Keys and it says turn on the ignition. Click on OK. We've obtained the backup file. So press OK. Select the file, and now we know we can add up to 6 keys to this car. Click on OK. Place the registered key near the power button and take it away after we hear the beep sound. Then we need to take every key to be programmed to the power button and take it away after it beeps twice. Now we can see we've successfully added a key to the vehicle. Then we can test the remote and smart function of this new key. Remote function. Unlock. Lock. Open the trunk. Smart function. Put the new key on the armrest box and press the power button to start the car. All functions work perfectly. Do not forget to restore the trim panels. Okay, we've finished all the operations of using the TOYBA cable and Keto Max Pro to add a new key to a 2022 Alphard. If you have any questions, please drop them in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Bye.